Welcome to Redline Review. Ultra-luxury living and hypercar DNA are combined in the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a first. This limited edition RV intended for billionaires, celebrities, and progressive collectors. A masterpiece of design, performance, and luxury. Performance and powertrain. Traditional motorhomes sacrifice comfort for performance, but the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome does not. A carbon aluminum monocoque chassis and Bugatti's Powerplant are used. Quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 Hybrid features include 1,100 pound-feet of torque, 1,200-plus horsepower, and a safety-limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. Transmission, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. All-wheel drive accelerates the camper from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, a first. This RV has incredible speed and stability because to its revolutionary adjustable air suspension, active aerodynamics, and carbon ceramic brakes. Moving mansion interior. The cabin honors French workmanship with cutting-edge technology and luxury hitherto reserved for private aircraft and mega yachts. Elegant lounge personalized crystal bar with champagne cooler, hand-stitched Bugatti leather chairs with carbon fiber trim, biometric access, retractable table, mood lighting, 65-inch rollaway OLED display with 4D Dolby Atmos audio, and panoramic electrochromic ceiling with starry effect. Mirror-finished walls with hidden smart screens, full-width king-size bed with memory foam, and silk linen. Walk-in wardrobe with automated lighting and humidity control. An upscale kitchen features an aroma diffuser, automated blackout curtains, carbon fiber accents on Italian marble worktops, and Gagano appliances like an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and microwave. An espresso machine and wine preservation system, a 4-person folding dining table. The spa-level bathroom has a heated floor, smart glass privacy walls, a steam shower and waterfall with mood lighting, a bidet toilet with gold accents, and a touchscreen mirror with media and skincare support. Intelligent systems and technologies, solar-tiled roof with lithium-ion battery backup, AI-powered smart control system, Bugatti Life for voice and app interaction, 5G plus satellite internet with augmented reality overlays, full automation, including concierge, water, power, and leveling, facial recognition entry, excellent features and security, engine and cabin fire suppression, med drone alert and emergency health monitoring, 360-degree LiDAR and thermal detection, low-speed autonomous driving for parking and city navigation, target audience ideal for hypercar collectors, billionaires seeking unique mobile luxury, VIP globe tours and red carpet events, luxury brands, and worldwide campaign influencers. Costs range from $5 million to $8 million plus, depending on customization. Globally, just 10 fully customized devices are envisaged.